Question are given. Question is that a plus b is equal to 10, ab is equal to 50. What is the value of a and b? How to solve this problem? Let's start. If you come in my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. See here, solution. First of all, see here, assume that this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. After next step, see here, from equation number 1, from equation number 1 telling that a plus b is equal to 10. After next step, see here, this a come this side, so b is equal to how much? 10 minus a. This is equation number 3. After next step, see here, from equation number 2. From equation number 2 telling that ab is equal to 50. After next step, see here, equation number 3, b is equal to 10 minus a. So b value put in this place, a into b value how much? 10 minus a, bracket close, is equal to 50. After next step, see here, a into 10 means 10a minus a square is equal to 50. After next step, see here, this come first, minus a square plus 10a is equal to 50. After next step, see here, this 50 come this side, minus a square plus 10a minus 50 is equal to 0. Both side multiply by minus 1. See here, the value will be a square minus 10a plus 50 is equal to 0. See here, this is the quadratic equation form. This is in the form of quadratic equation. So here, see here, a coefficient, a square coefficient 1, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 50. After next step, see here, we know that quadratic equation formula is that minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. After next step, see here, put the value of a, b, c. A is equal to minus into minus 10 plus minus root under b square minus 10 square minus 4 into 1 into a value 1, c value 50 divided by 2 into a value 1. After next step, see here, a is equal to how much? A is equal to 10 plus minus plus 10 plus minus root under, see here, 10 square means 100 minus 4 into 50 minus how much? 200 divided by 2. After next step, see, a is equal to how much? A is equal to 10 plus minus root under minus 100 divided by 2. Here a is equal to how much? 10 plus minus root under minus 100 will be written as 100 into minus 1 divided by 2. After next step, see here, a is equal to 10 plus minus, separate it, root under 100 into root under minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore a is equal to 10 plus minus 100 value 10, root under minus 1 value I divided by 2. A is equal to how much? Take common 2. Here 5 plus minus 5i divided by 2. 2 cancel. A is equal to how much? 5 plus minus 5i. Here a value came. After next step, see here a value 2 came. A1 is equal to 5 plus 5i. Second, a2 is equal to 5 minus 5i. Here a value we get after we find b value. Therefore, see here, b1 is equal to 10 minus a. Here b2 is equal to 10 minus a. After next step, see here, b1 is equal to how much? 10 minus a value 5 plus 5i. b1 is equal to 10 minus plus minus plus minus 5i. b1 is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 minus 5i. Here b1 value we get. Therefore a1 comma b1 value is that, see here, a1 value how much, 5 plus 5i, b2 value 5 minus 5i. After next step, see here b2 value we want to find here. Therefore b2 is equal to 10 minus a1 value 5 minus 5i. Therefore b2 is equal to 10 minus plus minus minus plus 5i. Therefore b2 is equal to 5 minus 5i. Therefore a2 comma b2 value is that a2 value 5 minus 5i, b2 value 5 plus 5i. This is the a1 b1 value. After next step, let's checking this value will be correct or not. Let's checking. According to question, see here, a plus b is equal to 10. We want to a and b value. See here a value is that 5 plus 5i plus b value 5 minus 5i is equal to 10 question mark. Here minus 5i plus 5i cancel. Value will be 10 is equal to 10. 5 plus 5, 10. See here LH and RH both are equal. So the value of a comma b is that 5 plus 5i comma 5 minus 5i are correct for this solution. See next here ab is equal to 50. Therefore a value is that a value 5 plus 5i into b value 5 minus 5i is equal to 50 question mark. Here we know that a plus b into a minus b formula is that a square minus b square form. This formula will be applied in this place. See next step. Therefore 5 square minus 5i whole square is equal to question mark 50. See here 5 square 25 minus here 5 square 25 I square into I square value minus 1 bracket close is equal to 50 question mark. See here 25 minus plus minus plus 25 is equal to 50. Therefore 25 plus 25 50 is equal to 50. See here LH and RH both are equal. So the value of A and B are correct for this solution. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.